Okay, this video is going to show you a preview of what to expect on IXL I.3. Noah is starting a summer camp for children with hearing impairments. He needs to hire enough counselors to chaperone the children. By law, if Noah hires 2 counselors, then at most 6 children can attend the camp. If he hires 3 counselors, then at most 9 children can attend. In this relationship, X represents the number of counselor Noah hires. Y represents the maximum number of children who can attend the camp. Graph 2 points for this relationship and the line passing through them. And then the question was asking, do X and Y have a proportional relationship? So I'm going to use 2 different colors. And to get my points, I'm going to match up the information that they gave me. So I know 2 counselors would let them have 6 children attend. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write that out as an ordered pair because it said X is the counselors. So they said 2 counselors. That will be my X coordinate. Y represents the children. So this would be my Y coordinate. So my first point that I'm going to have is 2, 6. Okay, so I got my X and my Y. And then the other information that they gave me said 3 counselors for 9 children. So I have 3 counselors, 9 children, my X and my Y. Okay, so once you pick the information that kind of went together out of the problem, then you're ready to plot your points and draw a line through those 2. Okay, so my first point, I'm starting from the origin. Remember that stood for 2 counselors. So down here on the x-axis, it says counselors. So I'm going over to 2. And then that 6 was for the number of children. So I'm going to go up and put my first point. Okay, my second point was 3, 9. So I'm starting from the origin, right to 3, up to the number 9. Okay. Now, whenever you are drawing a line that goes through these points, if you want it to be just right, because it's kind of like a far way to go here and I don't want my angle or my slope to change, you can count the rise and run between those 2 points and then just repeat that. So, and I'm needing to go down this way, so 1, 2, 3, so I can move 1, 2, 3 down, and then it was 1 to the right, so I'm going to come back this direction. Okay, then I can do that again. 3 down, 1 to the left. So I can see that it would be going through the origin. If you would rather use like a ruler or something to line up your points and draw your line, that would be fine too. Whenever you do plot these 2 points on your IXL, the IXL is going to automatically draw the line through the points. Okay? So it will be easy to tell whether it's going to the origin or not. And that's the main thing, that after you plot your points, that's what you're going to be looking at. Because they're wanting to know if it was a proportional relationship. So you need to know that on a graph, for it to represent a proportional relationship, it has to go through the origin and it has to be linear. So that means it has to be like a good straight line. So, since this graph does both of those things, it's linear and through the origin, I would answer yes. This is a proportional relationship.